Say hi everyone. See Jimmy sitting properly. See he is on seatbelt and he's good listener. See I am riding with mommy to go somewhere driving. See we have seatbelt for sure. Right Jimmy? Say hi. Say hi. Say hello everyone. Say hi. Good boy. You enjoying your ride, Mama? Yeah? All right. Sit. Good boy. Say, I am riding Mommy car. Good job. Say bye-bye now, guys. Say hi, everyone. Say Mommy driving. Say I'm on seatbelt. Say hi. So we went to the store. So we're finished. So we're going home, guys. It's rainy day. Very rainy day. It's kind of cold. So we're going home. Look at Jimmy. Jimmy, good boy. Sitting down. Right, Jimmy? Say bye-bye, everyone. We're done. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Look at the camera, Mama. Say hi. Say hi. Okay. Say bye.